I started noticing allergy symptoms about a year ago, and when I got tested, turns out I'm allergic to basically everything. Even my dog is over it, but this allergy season, I'm finally ready thanks to Allermi. It's super easy to use. First, I start with the salinity spray to clean my nasal passages. Then I use the custom super spray formulated just for me. No more non-stop sneezing, no drowniness, just real relief. If you struggle with allergies, check out Allermi and get your own custom formula. Hit the link in bio and take the quiz to find your perfect match.